How to draw Gudetama very easily. One oval shape is white chalice. As you can observe, Gudetama has two parts, upper body and lower body. So, I have drawn two circles and started outlining. Now, for the second drawing. Since it was a sleeping position, I have drawn a line indicating the direction. Draw a cylinder-like shape as yolk in a rectangle. Now, I started outlining the drawing. For the third drawing, again draw two circles and start with outlining. Since the white chalice is easier, I have drawn directly. You can first start by drawing the oval shape and outline it. For the fourth drawing, draw two lines and in between those lines draw Gudetama and follow the pattern. Draw lightly the parts which are not to be colored or to be colored with different colors. Now use sketch markers for coloring and black pen for outlining the drawing. Well done. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.